7 by 2 is 14. 8 by 2 is 16. The answer is 156. 2 by 6 is 12. 3 by 6 is 18. The answer is 138. 9 by 7 is 63. 8 by 7 is 56. The answer is 686. 2 by 8 is 16. 2 by 8 is 16. The answer is 176. 3 by 9 is 27. 6 by 9 is 54. The answer is 324. 5 by 4 is 20. 7 by 4 is 28. The answer is 228. 5 by 6 is 30. 7 by 6 is 42. The answer is 342. 9 by 5 is 45. 1 by 5 is 05. The answer is 455. 8 by 9 is 72. 2 by 9 is 18. The answer is 738. 4 by 3 is 12. The answer is 120. 8 by 3 is 24. 5 by 3 is 15. The answer is 255. 6 by 9 is 54. 7 by 9 is 63. The answer is 603. 8 by 5 is 40. The answer is 400. 2 by 8 is 16. 4 by 8 is 32. The answer is 192. 7 by 7 is 49. 9 by 7 is 63. The answer is 553.